Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Milwaukee Hedge trimmer attachment is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your outdoor power equipment arsenal, designed to tackle even the most demanding trimming jobs with ease and efficiency, making it an indispensable asset for homeowners and landscaping professionals alike who value precision, durability, and performance in their yard maintenance tasks. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Introducing the WORX WG163, a versatile tool that easily converts from a string trimmer to a lawn edger in seconds. Tackle any yard task with this convenient 2-in-1 design. Never worry about running out of line again. This trimmer features an innovative push-button command feed spool system for instant line feeding. Plus, enjoy free spools for life. Reach every corner of your yard with the 90-degree pivoting head. It allows you to trim on sloped terrain and get into those hard-to-reach places with ease. Achieve straighter lines and cleaner cuts thanks to the rubberized wheels. They provide support and guidance, ensuring a professional finish every time you edge. Keep your plants and landscape features safe with the adjustable spacer guard. It prevents accidental damage while you work, giving you peace of mind. This tool comes with two powerful 20V PowerShare Max lithium batteries. They are lightweight and can be used with any other WORX PowerShare tool, offering ultimate flexibility. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility, easily switching between trimming and edging. If you're looking for a single tool to handle multiple lawn care tasks with ease, this is a great choice. Its instant line feed means less frustration and more efficient work. What people say. Much lighter than the original. The two extra batteries are awesome. I can literally finish my entire yard with one battery. The automatic feed button seems as if no extra line is being pulled out, but upon inspection, it really is. Number 4. Greenworks 40V Pole Saw and Hedge Trimmer Combo Kit. Introducing the Greenworks 40V Combo Kit. This versatile tool helps you keep your trees and hedges perfectly trimmed and healthy, boosting your home's curb appeal. The 8-inch bar and chain make trimming branches a breeze. It's designed for easy handling and efficient cutting of limbs. With a 20-inch dual-action blade, you can achieve optimal performance when trimming tall hedges. The 7-position pivoting head allows for precise trimming at multiple angles. Easily tighten the pole saw chain with the quick adjustment feature. An automatic oiler ensures the bar and chain are always lubricated, extending their life and ensuring durability. Enjoy a virtually maintenance-free experience. There's no gas, no oil, and no emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice. It starts instantly, operates quietly, and delivers the power you need. What we like. This combo kit is perfect for tackling both high branches and tall hedges without needing a ladder. If you want a low-maintenance, gas-free solution for trimming both trees and hedges, this is the ideal option for you. Its versatile design makes reaching difficult spots a breeze. What people say. It easily cut through 6-inch branches. The amazing thing is how long the little 2Ah battery lasted. I expected 20 to 30 minutes total run time. It lasted what seemed like 3 times that, allowing for carting off the cuts several times during the 2+ hour project. The pole saw attachment is a nice feature and has a longer reach than the corded one I've used for years. Not dragging around an extension cord is wonderful. For general maintenance tasks, it performs well and eliminates the need to drag up gas-powered equipment for smaller jobs. The pole saw has enough cutting power for modest branches, and the hedge trimmer attachment makes it easy to square up taller hedges without balancing on a ladder. Number 3. Wild Badger Power 20V Hedge Trimmer Upgraded. Our upgraded hedge trimmer features durable dual-sided blades with a 22-inch dual-action laser cut design. It delivers an impressive 3.5-inch cutting capacity, effortlessly tackling various landscaping tasks from small shrubs to medium-sized trees. This advanced tool harnesses a powerful 2400 SPM motor to swiftly accomplish tasks with precision and speed. Whether you're trimming tall hedges or refining intricate details, it gets the job done efficiently. Enjoy an impressive 60-minute run time with this hedge trimmer. This ensures uninterrupted landscaping sessions, allowing you to achieve seamless results without frequent pauses. The upgraded model includes a guard and bumper for added safety during operation. Its advanced anti-vibration technology minimizes fatigue, providing a comfortable and ergonomic experience. Despite its powerful performance, this hedge trimmer remains lightweight at just 5.54 pounds. It's designed for comfortable and ergonomic use, even during prolonged periods. This comes with a 20V 2.0 Ah lithium battery and fast charger. The same battery powers other tools in the 20V platform, turning one purchase into a complete yard care system. What we like. Experience superior cutting performance with its long, sharp blades and powerful motor. If you have large hedges or need to get the job done quickly and efficiently, this trimmer is an excellent fit. Its extended runtime ensures you can complete your landscaping tasks without interruption. What people say. It arrived well packaged and in perfect condition, and it worked exactly as described, if not better. The performance has been consistent, reliable, and far exceeded my expectations. It's clear that a lot of thought went into the design and functionality. Number 2. Ukoke 40V Cordless Pole Hedge Trimmer. Experience efficient trimming with our powerful 40V Cordless Pole Hedge Trimmer. Its 18-inch dual-action blades make maintaining your lawn effortless, ensuring neat and tidy hedges in no time. Enjoy the freedom of cordless convenience. Move around your yard without restrictions, thanks to the long-lasting rechargeable battery that provides uninterrupted power for all your trimming needs. Easily reach every corner of your hedges with the adjustable cutting angle. This feature allows you to trim at various heights and angles up to 135 degrees for a perfectly manicured look. This versatile tool is perfect for more than just hedges. Trim shrubs, bushes, and other greenery around your yard, making it an essential addition to your gardening collection. Your safety is paramount. It features a safety switch and a protective blade cover to prevent accidental starts and ensure secure storage, giving you peace of mind during use. Keep it in top condition with easy maintenance. The simple blade adjustment system allows for quick replacement or sharpening, and the included storage sheath ensures safe and convenient storage. What we like. This trimmer offers excellent reach and maneuverability with its adjustable head. If you need to trim hedges at various heights and angles, especially those hard-to-reach spots, this tool is perfect for you. Its cordless design provides freedom of movement around your yard. What people say. The 40V cordless design doesn't compromise on power. It breezes through even the thickest hedge branches with ease, making my yard maintenance tasks much more efficient. This trimmer is incredibly user-friendly. It's lightweight, well-balanced, and the cordless design eliminates the hassle of dealing with cords or finding an outlet. Compared to previously renting a 2-cycle gas pole trimmer, this unit is a dream to handle: powerful, lightweight, long-lasting battery, smooth cutting my 150-foot shrubs without having to charge the battery. Number 1. Milwaukee 18V Cordless Brushless String Trimmer. Experience the power of a brushless motor, engineered to deliver the performance you expect from high-voltage platforms. This tool is built for demanding tasks. Tired of struggling with trimmer line? Our easy load head makes reloading quick and simple. Spend less time fiddling and more time trimming. Adapt to any job with a cutting swath that adjusts from 14 to 16 inches. Achieve the perfect cut, whether you're tackling wide open spaces or detailed edges. Equipped to handle both 0.080-inch and 0.095-inch line diameters, this trimmer offers versatility for various cutting conditions. Get the job done right with the right line. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation without sacrificing power. Its robust design ensures it can keep up with your toughest landscaping needs. This tool is designed with a powerful motor to handle challenging yard work. It's ready to take on grass and weeds with efficiency. What we like. This is a powerful and versatile tool head designed for serious yard work. If you already own Milwaukee M18 tools and are looking for a robust string trimmer attachment that can handle demanding tasks, this is the one to consider. Its brushless motor ensures long-term durability and performance. What people say. It's equal in every way to what my gas-powered equipment can do. The fact that it's attachment capable is a bonus, and it's really nice to not have to even think about gasoline. This trimmer outperformed my old gas trimmer easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.